Hello everyone, I am Mattia from Alleantia. So today I'll show you how it's simple to connect a CNC machine to our software. In this case, we will use a Fanuc 31i for the demo. So first of all, our software is currently installed in a Windows-based machine. So in order to use it, we need to access on his web page. First, we go to configuration. We set up uh, our default credential. Then we need to go on installation, click on device configuration. Then we click on add in order to search the driver for the Fanuc 31i in our catalog. So here it is. We select one. We need to add a description. So let's say CNC 1. Then communication port, we need to add Ethernet. And then we need to add the IP address provided by the machine. Then we click on save. Okay. So after some seconds, we can see that the status is green. So it means that this CNC is accessible. So in the right corner here, we can see the cycle time for read all the telemetry variables. Lastly, in order to see the telemetry variables, we need to click here on devices. Then here we see all the telemetry data of our Fanuc. Here we can see that it has some alarms. Okay, so lastly, we will send all these telemetry data to MQTT broker. So in order to do that, we go back to configuration tab. Then in the cloud services menu, we click on MQTT. We select our broker, IoT MQTT in this case. Then we can select all the telemetry variables by clicking on this button. We click here in order to select all of them. Then click OK. We select the time of the sending JSON, so 1 second. Enable MQTT service, and then click on Save. Okay, so here we have a green monitor, so it means that all the JSON are sent properly on our MQTT.